Hey y'all, it's Nicole with Living Well Properties, and I am out at Liberty and Melissa today to check on the KHov home for my lovely clients. So this just finished frame stage. They're about to start the electrical rough out, which means all the wiring and whatnot. So I'm gonna flip this around and we're gonna go take a look. Awesome, okay, so pretty. This is really coming together nicely. So this is a 3-car tandem garage, and we're going to go in through the front. All right, really nice tall entryway. Coming inside, it's a 2-story foyer, and then the banister up there will look over into the foyer, so that's really nice to keep it open. To the left, as you first come in, is a secondary bedroom and a full bath, as well as a coat closet here, coat linen closet. And then, so the bath is a single sink vanity, toilet, shower tub combo. And then coming into the secondary bedroom, got a good sized secondary bedroom. Looks to be about 9-foot ceilings. And then a nice large closet. 2-door. Okay, coming back out, going into the rest of the home. We've got a dining room, formal dining right here, stairway upstairs. We'll go up there in a minute. Before we come into the kitchen and living area, there's another little hallway over here with the master, and then we've got the laundry room across from the master. So here's the laundry room. Washer dryer go there. This is a little mud bench area as you come in from the tandem garage, and then master bedroom. Going through into the master bath. It's a double door. It's a single vanity with his and her sinks. You've got the water closet right there on the left in the corner. There is a linen closet, really good size one right there. And we have a shower with a bench, nice large shower. And then we have the master closet. Kind of goes over here too. So really good size closet. Lots of space for clothes. And then we're going to go back out into the kitchen and the living. So this is all open. This is the island in the middle, and then you're gonna have your stove. Your range is gonna be right there. That's where it will vents out to the outside. You've got a walk-in pantry. On this side is where your fridge and more counter space will be. And you'll have a really good sized pantry here. And then in the middle, on the island, you'll have your dishwasher and your sink. And then this is a really good sized space for a kitchen table. And it's all open to the living area. This one does not have a fireplace. Nice tall ceilings in here. And then the patio. It's a standard size patio. Looks really great. Okay, let's go check out upstairs. So I really like it when they don't have a half wall up the stairs. So you see where this banister is, they're actually going to put a banister with wrought iron balusters, like the spindles. And I like it when it's open like that. It's really pretty. And it's also going up the rest of the stairs too. So really nice. It doesn't make it feel so claustrophobic. So. All right, coming up here at the top of the stairs, you have a bedroom on either side. So here's one secondary bedroom. This is a 4-bed, 3-bath home. The ceilings are vaulted up here. Sorry, I'm gonna get the closet real quick. Nice, really big walk-in closet. Like almost like a mini master. Pretty cool. And then coming across, we have the bathroom that is shared between the two. So it'll be one sink, single vanity, tub shower combo, and the other secondary room. Very similar in size. And then another nice closet. This is actually identical to the one from downstairs. It's right above the one downstairs. So, and then coming across, we have, here's the banister that's going to look down into the foyer. It's really pretty. And then we have a game room. Nice large game room. And it opens up into a media room. So this is framed off. There will be double doors here. And this is a true media room, guys, because there's no windows. So, I mean, you could obviously use it for whatever you want, but. And then this is a little storage space in here. It looks really great. Okay guys, so that wraps up the tour this week. A lot has happened since the last time I was here. That's super exciting. They are gonna start on the electrical rough out, which running all the wires and getting your outlets in place. And they're gonna finish the plumbing rough. So anywhere where we didn't see a fixture as far as a tub or things like that, they're going to be installing those as well. So in the coming weeks, we have a lot to do. Very exciting. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Nicole Roan. I work with Living Well Properties, and I would love to be able to help you with your brand new build in Collin County. So give me a call, text, email, or schedule a Zoom appointment, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. Take care and God bless. Bye.